Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device so changes take effect quickly. First, unplug the Google TV power for 10 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in to force a full reboot. This clears transient memory. Next, go into Settings and close heavy apps or clear their cache to free RAM. Also, check your Wi-Fi, switch to the 5 GHz band or move the router closer. Once done, you'll have reduced background load and improved network stability, ready for deeper tweaks. Now you optimize the system to stop lag at its source. First, disable or uninstall unused apps and turn off autoplay features so nothing wakes the CPU randomly. Then enable developer options and set background process limit to 1 or 2. This prevents excess RAM use. Also, reduce animation scales to 0. 5x or off to make UI transitions feel snappier. Make sure to reboot after changes so the system applies limits. These steps cut CPU. Finish by securing a stable network and verifying results. If possible, plug the TV into Ethernet or use a Wi-Fi mesh node, then run a speed test and aim for greater than 25 Mbps for streaming. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but back up account info first. Once reset, reinstall only essential apps. If lag still appears, test another device on the same network to determine whether the issue is the TV or your internet. This isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.